morning, everybody. How is everyone doing, man? I think I'm gonna post this video on the main channel because some of you guys said that you enjoy the car content. So today's agenda is going to consist of going to Premium Autostyling. We're dropping the GTR off to get wrapped, which I'm super excited about. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video, so this whole day is going to be just me shooting it. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna release the color yet. I don't know what we have planned exactly for today, but we do have some car content, we do have some GTR content. Now, before we get this video started, I just want to say, man, I had a long night. I went to sleep at like 2 to 3 o'clock, and I'm usually not doing that kind of stuff, so when I wake up at this time, your boy's a little drained. All right, so hopefully I find the energy somewhere, like maybe some pocket somewhere, but yeah, in case the energy is a little off in this video, that's the reason. Your boy was not being responsible and I didn't sleep on time. We have about a 40-minute drive and we just filled up on gas. For the past few days I've been driving this car the most that I've ever drove it. So I took it on the road trip and then I've been driving it basically every day. It's been an absolute blast and I honestly cannot complain at all. This car is handling very well. It's super comfortable and it's perfect if you're just one person. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Premium and then I'll tap in with you guys once I talk to the team and figure out what we're doing exactly. Let's go, baby.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now.
This thing is crazy though. I love the color of it. His license plate says Built 8, Built Evo 8, man. That thing is crazy. That thing is nice. Let me see if I can get to his side. Let's see. Let me give y'all a shot of this man's car. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. That thing is nice. Feel like we're riding Fast and Furious style right now, bro. Big win gang. That's how you get the juices pumping, baby. Let's go.
Look at this thing. This is like every man and woman's dream to drive a GTR, to have a GTR.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
I don't even recognize you, bro.
That's a good thing, man.
You're
That's
looking
a good
extra
thing. I
saucy.
got uglier. Dude, this thing is sick, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Body kit, everything.
This is a vlog within a vlog right now?
Yeah, that's what, you know.
Oh my god, what's going on, guys? I'm SneakerHeadInTheBay.
Dude, this thing is so sick. So
Thank
how does
you,
it
bro.
feel going from a Tesla to a GTR? Because you sold your Tesla, right?
Yeah, I sold the Tesla. Feels great, dude. This has been my dream car for the longest time, and dude, like, to have it now, it still feels unreal. Like, every time I sit in it, I'm just like, bro, what the hell? Yeah.
Dude, this is like everyone's dream. Like, I honestly, I don't want one, but I want one. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
for sure. So we're wrapping it. Are we gonna tell the color or no?
It's up to you. You know what I mean? If you want to tell a color, then you know, it's up to you. You want to keep a secret?
We're gonna have to go black and white on this video, but yeah, we're gonna keep it a secret. We're gonna do a full wrap on this car. Right now, it is wrapped. The only thing that's not wrapped is the bumper, but yeah, we're gonna do the full wrap, and we should give something away.
I think we should get something away.
Somebody that guesses the correct color. You have to comment down below. Guess the correct color, and we'll figure a gift out or something like that.
Let's do it.
We'll pick 3 people. 3 people that get the color, we'll give them something.
And let you know a little secret over at Premium Autostyling. So we got a lot of people that work here, and sometimes on Instagrams, some colors get slipped. So if you want to, you know, get that correct color, I'm pretty sure between now and to the time your car is finished, one of us will accidentally post other color. You guys already know. Well, I'm letting your fans, your followers know that go to Premium Autostyling's Instagram, follow us, because sometimes Daniel will be slipping on his pimping and he be let some colors out. But anyways, dude, this is gonna be sick. So let's go over the car. So it's wrapped already. You said it's wrapped.
Yeah, it's wrapped.
Doesn't look wrapped.
No, but there's little things, like there's little
little scuff marks and
people
stuff like that.
disrespecting the car, little door
This is
dings.
like, I can tell what this was right here. Like you were at a car event or car show and some
somebody's
girl
keys,
just
right?
like put her freaking juicy booty on it and just was like, and then just like, oh, thank you.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that now.
Anything else?
There's like this, all previous owner stuff,
Okay.
but it's all light. He told me this wrap is like maybe 2 to 3 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, so
A lot of people guys ask how long wraps last. This is 2 to 3 years old, and
Still,
I
it looks like
didn't know.
paint, bro.
I honestly didn't know it was wraps, and that's not just for content. Like when we were looking at it, you said it has to be unwrapped. I thought this was the car, the color of the car.
yeah,
So-
the original color is like it's a gunmetal gray. It's like this color right here.
Inside Godzilla. You know how much that seat will go for? The sneaker and the baby sweating in it. Drove all the way from San Francisco.
It lost value, bro.
Oh,
It lost value.
No, it gained value. This guy is so modest. I love it. Dude, I love this.
Look at this guy. What are you eating?
This is a nice G35, dude.
Thank you, thank you. It's a Nissan Sentra.
Okay, I'm
What's up,
eating
bro?
the Heavy-Tip modified. You know, this is a shameless plug right here.
You're doing the meal
Heavy-Tip
prep?
Yeah, I have a meal prep company, man.
Look
I'm
at
trying to
this
get everyone
guy.
on it, man. What is this called? Duck swan neck or neck swan?
Swan neck.
Spoiler.
Swan neck.
Swan neck?
It's a spoiler.
A spoiler? I think on GTR it's called swan neck. I think I think on that
Swan
thing
neck
that's
is
called
a-
spoiler. Right.
Yeah, is this one neck? Good job, Hefe.
Thank you.
Hey, were you on the freeway earlier today? Like, did you take Glass Sierra by any chance?
I think I did.
Okay, I was right next to you.
Oh, really?
I was in that car.
Oh, shoot.
You didn't see the shopping cart right next to you the whole time?
Damn, dude.
I had to get you for you talking about my meal prep. You oh, left me
I
hanging.
tried to plug you.
I know, that's messed up. Anyways, well, I know you're holding the camera and you used to be behind the camera, but we're gonna put you to work. I mean, you've been driving here, so it's been baking for a little bit. So me and Anthony and Jack, the manager of Premium Autostyling, we're gonna start filling off this thing, but we're gonna put you to work.
Okay,
See,
for sure. Yeah, I'm down.
I
I'm
lost
down.
weight, but I got lazy. So I'm gonna hold your
Okay.
camera and you're gonna have to start wrapping this bad boy.
Damn, I don't have my own cameraman today.
Oh, you can't see my muscles, huh? Maybe I'll take my shirt
No,
off
no, we
later.
can see it. We can see it. Oh, damn.
Oh,
dude.
damn. It should be warm enough, right? All right, let's get to work.
All right, we're gonna unwrap this today. It's gonna be my first time unwrapping a car, so let's go.
You're
Yes,
going on my
you have.
story.
Okay. Oh,
All right, you're going on my personal story. ESPN
it's
is
a pleasure,
watching.
bro. It's a pleasure. All right, so we got yours.
Damn.
Custom Crocs with the
Custom,
straps.
With the straps, Louis Vuitton. Can I get an autograph from you on these?
You get a kiss.
I.
It's even better.
Damn. Okay. Yo, these. Okay.
And your girls.
Damn.
It's not the same color, but
No, see, that's all right. She don't have to match me, and then no one knows I have a girlfriend. That's cool. Oop. What?
you heard
Yeah,
it
I
here
like
first.
these.
Wow.
I like these. Okay. I like these. I haven't even seen these colors.
And here's your charms. Custom charms.
That's crazy.
HappySauce.com.
That's crazy. When you pulled up, I thought you were my charm.
Dude, you're gonna make me blush. Stop it.
I love it.
Dude, you're exposing me right
Oh
now,
my
bro.
gosh,
Come
dude!
on.
I can't wait. I'm gonna put these on and then I'm gonna take a picture of them because these are fly. Shout out SneakerHeadInTheBay. Thank you so much, my
Appreciate
man.
you, bro.
Damn.
Damn, you already,
Damn, dude.
you already started?
I started the door too.
Watch, he's gonna unwrap it, bro, and then he's gonna be like, well, I don't want to wrap it anymore. He's gonna like that color.
I'm scared to see what's underneath, guys. I don't know, because I bought this car wrapped, and I don't know what the paint looks like underneath. The guy said it perfect, but I don't know. I don't know if we could trust it.
That's that Craigslist ad.
That's what they all say, right?
Perfect.
Slightly
perfect.
used.
Changes this number.
Slightly used.
Let's see. Oh, you gotta
Yeah,
kinda,
you gotta like kind of.
All right, so
You've
here,
been hitting the gym, bro. Let's go.
you go like this.
Oh, that's the type
Go this way.
It's all about that wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi
Yeah.
stuff.
Yo, this is kind of satisfying. This is like.
It is. But if you go slower, not faster, it makes it easier. And doing it that way is easier on your fingers.
Hey, everyone likes slower, not faster. You know, gotta make love to the car.
Perfect. So you feel it want to give up.
This is nice.
Come to Premium Autostyling and then it gets put to work.
I thought the paint was cool. It's not even painted.
Oh! Oh!
Your kit's not painted.
Your kid is not painted.
I'll probably go in with dope and we'll repaint all the
Metal. Oh, the mesh.
Is it harder to wrap this kind of material?
No. I mean, it's smooth, so it should be fine.
I'm good right here.
Yeah, right there. Just leave it. Because either way, we're gonna have to take that up.
Not bad. That's what's great about wrap. Woo.
Make sure you guys wrap your cars. Premium Autostyling. Link is in the description. Use my code. Do I get a code?
Yeah, what do you want to
What's
use?
your code?
TJ's was like small PPT.
Little PPT.
And then he had a big PP one.
And then you had
too.
big PP one.
So whatever you want.
Damn.
Think
All right, I'll
outside
think
the
about it.
box.
I'll think about
Yeah.
it.
All right.
Yeah, I'll think about it. And then
Don't let me down.
I won't let you down.
Don't let us down.
I won't.
Okay.
Love you.
Just do it. Behind the scenes of making a thumbnail. Oh, look shocked. Raise your eyebrow. Look at me, but stare at him.
What is this, wedding photos?
Oh yeah, though. So the whole kit. So let them know. What are we finding out here?
All right, so we're finding out we got this beautiful paint right here. Gunmetal gray. Is that
I
what it's
think
called?
who called gunmetal gray?
We got a black bumper.
Black.
Black. And we got a white fender.
White.
You were
Damn.
bamboozled.
Damn.
Congratulations, you've been bamboozled.
I like this part. This is easier. One nice piece. No worries.
My brother's birthday today. Alright, give him an update, bro. What do you think about the paint condition?
The paint's actually really nice. I just, the whole kit kind of threw me off a little bit. Because I thought it was one color, but we got three now. But it's all good. At least this paint looks good. It's kind of nice.
Supposed to be one time, like, yeah, I got stock in ESPN. You know what I mean? It's light work.
On a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday.
Yo, I only see Alex working, but you guys aren't working. What's going on?
Yo, imagine getting behind the camera and becoming a boss like that. That's crazy.
I know.
Fucking holding the camera for 5 years and no one respects me. You gotta hold the camera for 5 seconds and all of a sudden I gotta work for the guy. Hey, get the arms real quick. And look, you ready?
Yeah.
There it goes. I pull up his whole paint. Just yeet.
Yeah, let it warm up a little bit.
Dad just let me wash the car and then pull it out of the driveway. What the hell does A mean? Why does it just have a D for drive? What is A?
Automatic.
Yeah.
have M, A and M.
Yeah.
You didn't know that? Guess you haven't driven enough GTRs.
What's beeping? What'd you break?
Self-destruct in 5 seconds. Then I turn it off?
He didn't fucking put it in park.
Oh, damn.
Is it not in park?
I thought R meant repark. My bad.
That's reversed.
It's a steroids!
GTRs beep when you don't put them in
Don't
park.
make fun of me! Here's your car back.
Thank you.
Yeah. Girl, I hope you like the new wrap.
Yeah, dude, it's
The one with
sick.
the white and black
That
zone.
tricolor?
Tricolor, you know what I mean?
Oh, it's like a gradient.
We
It just-
wanted to match the orange calipers.
Mm.
So we were like, how do we match orange? Off-white.
Perfect.
You know what I mean? 10,000 is all you owe us. Pretty much it. Oh, we went with the black side skirts.
Oh, thank you for that.
Yeah, we do
Those are pretty.
aerodynamic color, lighter color.
Those are
We're gonna
faster.
change it up.
Yeah, we are gonna.
We're gonna have black accents, but it's gonna be in different areas.
Okay.
We're gonna highlight things with black and not kind of make things stick out.
Okay, sounds good.
So this is gonna go body color, or your wrap color.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it
yeah.
blends in.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, what Jack's saying is we are going to pimp your ride. We're
Yep.
talking about fish tank in the glove box,
Oh, shit.
TV, where your gas pedal goes.
Well, I was gonna put a sewing machine in the glove box.
Oh, hey. There
For the
we
long drive
go. There
from
we
San
go.
Francisco to Riverside, you can start making merch and freaking damn.
I like that. Multitasking.
Multitask.
Have a little ship station in the trunk.
Oh, we
Oh,
turn
a
let's
little
just, like,
label
get
maker,
Yeah,
all
let's
that
get like
stuff.
the Tesla component so you don't have to drive the car.
I'm down, dude.
Bro, it's gonna be done, man. I'm telling you right now. We work miracles. Daniel's gonna touch this whole car by himself. He's gonna kill it. The work that Daniel Sanchez does by himself is gonna be amazing.
All right, you guys, we finished unwrapping the GTR the best that we could. What's up, man? Why you look so sexy, bro?
You know what, man? I spent my whole life being fat. You know, now it's just the sex appeal.
For the people that don't know you, how many pounds did you lose?
I'm officially down 333 pounds.
Damn,
yeah,
dude.
Yeah, so shout out to everyone at Premium. They've been like pushing me to go to the gym. They've been like working with me. A lot of them are on the meal preps with me. And when I'm over here, David, Anthony, Daniel, they'll all go for walks with me. It's just, we've just been killing it, man. So
it's the family.
It's just
out
a
here.
family
That's what I like
out
about
here.
this shop.
Yeah, 100%. Like you won't, I mean, I can't speak for a lot of different places,
yeah,
but I feel that the places I've worked at, like you wouldn't see that. You know what I mean? You don't see that. So my journey has been documented on Premium's channel too, and people have been noticing it and stuff like that, and obviously can't really miss it. You know, so it's just a family here, bro. It's a family here, and you're part of the family. So we appreciate you driving this far to bring your car to us, bro. And I can't wait for you to see your car because I love your reactions.
Yeah. I'm gonna be stoked when I see this thing.
No,
I also want to wrap something too.
You do want to wrap something?
Like a gas cap or something. Like
okay.
Just,
so what we'll do
just that.
is
Save that for me.
we'll have everything done, and then we'll make sure they won't touch a gas cap.
Yeah.
And then the day you come to pick it up, we'll surprise you with it.
Yeah.
And then we'll have you wrap that. And
all right. Yeah. Sounds good.
So I'll make sure that doesn't get touched.
Okay.
Do you want any like branding on it? Like, cause I know last time, or do you want us to surprise you? Because last time we did the whole sneaker in the bay, like the battery.
Yeah.
You want a little Easter egg, or what are you thinking though? You want to just leave it in the rapper's hands?
Yeah, leave it in the rapper's hands. Okay, yeah. I want your guys' shop on there.
For sure. We appreciate that. We really do.
Yeah, really maybe like a banner or some shit. That'd be
premium banner, and then like some little like Easter egg for you.
Yeah. Okay. That'd be tight.
Hell yeah. All right, cool, man. I'm excited. Thanks for coming back.
Yeah, no worries. All right, so this is what the car looks like. We found out that the bumper is not painted. It's like I don't even know. I'm not even gonna try to guess what material that is.
101 Dalmatians.
So we got that. Paint actually looks really good. So the owner wasn't capping on that, but we also have white fenders and then the painted bumper. But yeah, like I said, man, the family over at Premium Autostyling is going to take care of this. This car is going to look completely different by the time you guys see the full reveal. I'll try to get them to record the wrap process. I can't be here because I got some stuff going on back in the Bay Area, but I'm going to leave the car here with them, and then we will tap in with you guys probably for the next video. I don't know, like I don't know how long this video is. I think it's going to be pretty long because we got some pretty decent footage of unwrapping this thing right here. But if you guys enjoy the car content, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure to follow the family over at Premium Autostyling. And if you guys are in SoCal or even in the Bay Area, the drive is worth it to get the wrap done by this shop right here, because there's a lot of wrappers out there that'll cut your paint, that'll mess up your car, and I trust Premium 100,000%. And I'm leaving a lot of stuff up to them to make sure that this comes out looking super nice. So I trust this shop with everything. All right, bro, thanks for the ride.
Bro, thank you for driving the heavy modified Uber service.
5 out of 5 stars, man.
How many stars I get? 5 out of 5?
5 out of 5.
Damn, yo. What's that discount code again?
Small PB Alex 69, premiumautostyling.com, 30% off. Go shop.
30% off, baby. Later, bro.
We out.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.